TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, headline news update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. We're going to start out here with the December wheat. If you know, we've been very bullish this for the last 5 or 6 days. We bought it down here at $5.48. This now has well over $1,500 profit, and it's approaching the 61% retracement. So I recommended today at $5.79. Let's take profits in this. That's a little more than $1,500 profit. We're originally risking $500. That's 3 to 1. I think it's going to go higher, but we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days up in the run, setting right at the 61% retracement. If you went back and looked, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days up. This one was 7 days up, so that's usually all you're going to get based on statistics. So it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you don't lose. You don't want to give any of this back right now. So my assumption is that we will be getting out of it, and we'll be buying a 382 pullback. What we'll do is we'll get up here, we'll go look at the hourly chart, and you'll be able to see there's a big run. All right, now you'll notice here on the way up we had several 382 retracements. We had one right here. There it was the other day at 60. Okay, that was on Friday, and now we're right up at this level, right up in here. And so what we'll be watching now is to see what we get to this level right here, to see a pullback, and we're going to assume it's going to get to 82, because that's a 618. That would be right up there. So the 382 would be to buy it back on a 15-cent retracement. That would be back in this right here at 576. Now, here's what you have to decide. What happens if it runs away? That's where we're going to have to decide. If that happens, we'll have to do that tomorrow. But right now, we booked a nice profit, and that's what we're waiting to see what's going to happen next, okay? So that's what we're paying attention to this morning, so we want to be able to do that. Now, we'll move over here. We've got a few other things that are going on, pretty exciting, and that is in the other markets like the soybean meal. Well, it's not too exciting yet, but it will be exciting. But the gold market is one we want to cover when we come back, because it's had one heck of a move, and it's been statistically about as cool as it can possibly get. So we want to talk about that when we get back. Okay, folks? Stay tuned.